Good morning, Restore Church. It's Jordan Taylor here, your youth pastor. And as always, there's a lot of stuff going on here at Restore. So let's head on inside and check out what's happening in this week's rNews. First off, a couple weeks ago, do you guys remember how we had that incredible family bonfire night? Well, if you couldn't make it to that, or if you're just ready for a round two, you're in luck. Because on November 11th, we're having, once again, another family bonfire night. Now, here's a fair warning. It is in November, so it's going to be a little bit chillier. It's going to get dark a little bit earlier, so please come prepared. We're going to dig some more fire pits, have some more space for everybody. We just ask, head on over to restorechurch.net under the events tab. Please register so we can have enough s'mores materials for everybody to have some and go around. If you haven't noticed yet, I want to fill you in on something really important. We have some incredible volunteers here at Restore Church. Can we give a round of applause, give some shouts to show some love to all of our volunteers? We have some incredible ones. No matter where you serve here at Restore Church, we really couldn't do what we do here without you. And that's why this year we are going to show a little bit of extra love to you guys with our Volunteer Appreciation Banquet happening on November 18th, starting at 6:30 p.m. This year, our theme is Mission Possible. And we're going to take all of our volunteers, we're going to separate them into three broad categories, into teams, and have a little bit of friendly competition. And if you haven't yet heard from your team lead, look out for some communication from them. They'll give you some additional instructions about that. But if you're planning on attending our Volunteer Appreciation Banquet on November 18th, please head on over to restorechurch.net. Let us know you're coming by registering so we can make sure there's a place prepared for you. Many of you have been asking when we're doing it next, so it's about time we let you know that we are going to be having our next Baptism Sunday on November 20th. Baptism is a huge milestone in the life of every believer. It's basically a time where you get to publicly declare to the world, hey, I'm running after Jesus with everything that I am. It is an outward expression of an inward change. And if you would like to join us and make that declaration to the world, you can head on over to restorechurch.net and sign up under the events tab today. And we cannot wait to share in this celebration with you. And now it's time for this week's Kingdom Builders Highlight. And this week, we are highlighting Kingdom Builders Kevin and Carol Mayer with Hartford County Young Life. Young Life is a Christian ministry that reaches out to middle school, high school, and college students in all 50 of the United States and more than 100 countries worldwide. Their mission is to introduce adolescents to Jesus Christ and help them grow in their faith. They do this by praying for young people, going where kids are, and building personal relationships with them, earning the right to share the gospel and the good news of Jesus Christ. They provide fun, adventurous, life-changing, and skill-building experiences by inviting kids to personally respond to the good news and walking in friendship with them regardless of their response. Please pray for Kevin and Carol as they love on kids and share Jesus with them, as they mentor local Young Life leaders and expand this ministry to other schools in the country.